Chris here from Attraction Source, and in this video we're going to take a ride on the Great Wall of China Mutianyu Toboggan. There are various sections of the Great Wall of China that you can visit, and the Mutianyu section is one of the most famous, being easily accessible from China's capital city, Beijing. To reach the wall, there are a few options you can take, such as hiking or riding a 4-person gondola, or in my case, a 2-person chairlift, which provides some of the best views of the ascent. Once you have enjoyed your time at the Great Wall, you can then take a toboggan back down, which is great fun and benefits from being situated in one of the most unique locations in the world. So buckle up with me and let's go for a ride on the toboggan. The footage has been sped up slightly and I have cut the descent in some places as there was some congestion. But anyway, let's enjoy the ride.